Hello friends, today's topic, after a long time, Nifty below 22,000. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. After many days of managing to hold the 22,000 mark, Nifty finally closed convincingly below the 22,000 mark today. In fact, small cap index fell around 1.2% and mid cap index fell around 1.3%, while Nifty fell by 1.1% today. So unlike the previous days, today was a fall in all indices and not only small and mid cap indices. There are few main reasons for the markets to fall today. One, profit booking before US Federal Reserve decision. The US Federal Reserve will be meeting on 20th March to decide on the interest rates. The interest rates are cut, it could be good news for the stock markets. However, it looks likely that the interest rates will be kept unchanged. There is always uncertainty until the official announcement is made, so markets will be nervous. 2. Japan increases interest rates after 17 years. Asian markets are slightly weak today due to the Bank of Japan hiking interest rates for the first time in 17 years and raised benchmark interest rate to 0.0 to 0.1% from minus 0.1%. This has been done since the Japanese economy has been slowly showing signs of recovery, and after many years, Japan is facing inflation. Earlier, it was facing deflation where price of goods and services was falling over the years. By increasing interest rates, institutional investors will get attracted to invest in Japanese markets in stocks and bonds. This is the reason why other Asian markets were trading weak today due to the fear of some investments flowing to Japan in the coming weeks and months. Recently, Japanese market rallied to a new high after 34 years of consolidation. 3. Selling below 22,000 mark. Many investors would have sold some of their positions which were held for short term as markets fell below 22,000, 21,900 mark. The fear is that market could fall to 21,600, 21,500 levels in the coming days. 4. Loss booking before the end of financial year. Many investors would be booking losses to reduce the tax liability on the capital gains. Losses can be set off against profits and accordingly taxes have to be paid. All these adjustments had to be done before the end of financial year 2024 31st March. Hence, there is selling due to this reason also. This correction has been due for many days since markets had rallied well over the last few months. Today, the large cap stocks also joined the small cap indices in the fall. Although there is support for Nifty around 21,800, there is a chance that global factors could push markets lower. After a good pre-election rally, the markets have corrected a little. There is a chance that after markets consolidating for some time for the next 1 to 2 months, markets could rally once again after the election results are announced by June first week. The markets could be volatile and move in a narrow range for some weeks. But this correction in our markets have been giving good opportunity for long-term investors to make investments at slightly lower prices. If you have a vision of 10, 20, 30 years, there is no point in waiting for corrections for investing. You must invest regularly through SCP and also invest any lump sum amount in phases as early as possible in your life. The more you delay, the lesser is the time for compounding. Unfortunately, compounding is such that it is difficult to visualize and also difficult to understand what we may be losing until the end of our journey. For example, after 20 years, suppose we create a corpus of rupees 2 crore for our retirement. By investing a higher amount or by investing earlier in life, we might be able to create 2.4 crores. This difference will be significant in the future. We keep seeing messages on YouTube where channel members keep saying that they are waiting for a correction to invest. Usually, when there is a correction, the mindset is to wait for a further correction and finally, they may end up not investing since market may recover, or they may invest only a small amount instead of investing all their surplus amount. End of the video, here is the question. Are you also waiting for a particular level to invest a lump sum amount? If yes, type the Nifty level at which you plan to invest. Otherwise, type no. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.